Ever wondered how ChatGPT actually works? It's not magic, it's mathematics and patterns. Let's break down large language models in the simplest way possible. A large language model is an E trained on billions of words from books, websites, and articles. It learns patterns in language, like how words connect and what usually comes next. Think of it as a sophisticated word prediction machine that's gotten incredibly good at finishing your sentences accurately and meaningfully. During training, the model reads text and learns relationships between words. The large part means it has billions of parameters. Think of these as tiny adjustable weights. The large part means it has billions of parameters. Think of these as tiny adjustable weights that fine-tune predictions. More parameters usually mean better understanding. You type a prompt, and the model predicts the next word, then the next, building a response token by token. It's all probability-based. It chooses words most likely to fit context. Billions of training examples make these predictions remarkably accurate, helpful, and human-like. LLMs power ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and countless apps. They're changing writing, coding, research, and more. Understanding how they work helps you use them better and appreciate both their power and limitations. They're intelligent tools, not conscious minds. Got questions? Drop them in comments. Hit like and subscribe for more concepts explained simply.